how you can do some simple collaging using Photoshop. So the first thing you need to do is open a new document. You also need to open up the pictures that you want to be using. So I've just borrowed some from a student of mine. So all you're going to do is select all and edit and copy, and then paste it, edit and paste it into your new document like this. If it's too big, obviously we've used the free transform tool before. Change the free transform, use the free transform to edit the size. Obviously I'm putting a landscape picture onto a portrait picture, so it's probably not going to work very well, but just to show you, give you an idea of what you need to do. Okay, click the tick once you're done. Once you've done that, you can do various different things. You could create yourself a new copy by dragging it down here, and then you can make that image black and white, for example, by desaturating it, and then you can cut out a section of it if you wanted to, and then delete that section, and as you can see, the image from underneath comes through. You can go around another bit if, let's say, you wanted to have more of a square shape, and then select inverse, and then by selecting the inverse it selects all the area around your box instead this time. You could delete that. So now we have that box shape. Once you're done, press deselect, and I will stop there before another video.